Let me guess, you wake up every morning feeling like absolute garbage. Your alarm blares, but you slap snooze again and again. Hours later, you crawl out of bed, unhealthy, unfocused, and already drowning in the chaos of your day. Then you sit there wondering, why am I so tired? Why can't I get my life together? Sound familiar? Well, listen up, because I'm about to hit you with a truth bomb. Your sleep is the first battle of your day. Lose that, and you've already lost everything else. Sleep isn't just rest, it's your energy, your discipline, the foundation of a healthy, unstoppable life. If your sleep schedule is a train wreck, you're sabotaging yourself before the sun even rises. And here's the kicker, you know it's bad, but you can't fix it. Why? Because you're trapped. You're a slave to your habits. You've trained your body to crave late nights and dread mornings. Every time you say, I'll fix it tomorrow, you're just digging your hole deeper. But that ends today. I'm giving you the exact steps to reset your sleep schedule fast, even if you've been crashing at 3 a.m. for months. Ready? Let's go. Step 1, wake up at the same time, every single day. Doesn't matter if you crashed at 10 p.m. or 4 a.m. Set one wake-up time and stick to it like your life depends on it. Your internal clock is shattered right now, and brutal consistency is the only way to rebuild it. Yeah, you'll feel like death for the first few days. Consider it your punishment for trashing your sleep. Push through. Your body will adapt. Step 2, make your bed a sleep-only zone. Your brain's confused because you've turned your bed into an entertainment hub. Scrolling, binge-watching, texting. No wonder your mind won't shut off when you lie down. Fix this now. The only thing you do in bed is sleep. No phone, no studying, nothing. Bed equals sleep. That's the rule. Step 3, cut all screens 1 hour before bed. I know you're groaning already, but hear me out. Your phone, laptop, TV, they're blasting blue light into your eyes, tricking your brain into thinking it's noon. Then you wonder why you're wired when you hit the pillow. Shut it all down, read a book, journal, stretch. Do something calm that tells your brain, hey, it's time to wind down. No screens, no excuses. Here's the deal, these steps aren't magic, they're work. But if you commit, you'll wake up sharp, energized, and in control. Imagine that, starting your day like a warrior instead of a zombie. Want more tips to level up your life? Subscribe right now. I'm dropping raw, no BS advice like this all the time. And drop a comment below. What's your biggest sleep struggle? Let's tackle it together. Don't wait. Your mornings are screaming for a reset. Start tonight.